Let's take a look at this IKEA store in India. This is in Hyderabad. It's the first IKEA store in India, which was opened recently to much fanfare. That's how the insides look. There were so many people visiting it that they had to put the waiting hours on their website. They have two floors. This is the first floor. Where they show off some of the design ideas. These are their plans for small apartments, all beautifully done. This is the chairs and sofa section. They also have screens where you can customize your furniture. It's pretty easy to use. You select the model of the sofa you want and the color. Now you can customize it, adding more seating. These prices are a bit on the higher side for sofas in India, and you can see the features and size. It's pretty easy to use, and you can see the live price below. You can store the design. This was one of the interesting products I saw. That's the price. That's the same light but in a different color. This is their office furniture section. More chairs and tables. They had these thin Apple products. They had these thin laptops and tablets. Kitchen ideas. Another interesting product I found. This is a curtain made out of paper and it rolls back up. This is another one, a chair that increases size as you rotate on it. These are ideas for bathrooms. A section for mirrors. There are some really beautiful designs. I think this is a room. Looks a bit untidy. Another interesting product. I really like the slow closing lid. testing out their mattress. Quite nice. There are sharks roaming around, so you have to be careful. Some of them are friendly though. Another design idea for a wardrobe. This is the kids section. Some really fun looking products. This is their toys section. They have quite a lot of soft toys. This is the food area. It's quite huge. That's their menu. The food seems to be reasonably priced, and it's unlimited refill. This is the ground floor where they have laid out all their products. This is their self-service area where you can pick up your furniture. It's really huge. Some wall beds. They have some nicely designed products. Quite nice. Check it out.